friends, today we are going to make something that you all have been requesting since so long, that is a healthy recipe. So today we are going to make quinoa mixed salad. So let's start making it. Ingredients required for quinoa mixed salad are boiled chickpeas, boiled peanuts, iceberg, quinoa, tomatoes, cucumber, paneer, lime juice, salt, chilies, coriander leaves and mint leaves. These are boiled quinoas. Quinoas are very high in protein, helps to keep your heart healthy and it's a good alternative to rice. Take 4 tablespoons boiled chickpeas, 4 tablespoons boiled peanuts, 3 tablespoons paneer, 2 tablespoons lettuce leaves, 3 tablespoons tomatoes, 3 tablespoons cucumber, 4 tablespoons quinoa, salt to taste, around 1 teaspoon lime juice, 1 tablespoon mint leaves finely chopped, 1 tablespoon finely chopped coriander leaves, finely chopped green chillies. Depends how spicy you all want. Now just mix everything properly. A quinoa mixed salad is ready. A quinoa mixed salad is ready. I hope you like this healthy recipe and don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.